Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Cadillac CTS versus BMW. We'll explore their performance, starting with engine power and handling characteristics. The CTS often boasts impressive acceleration and a firm, engaging ride. BMW, on the other hand, is renowned for its balanced chassis and precise steering, offering a truly dynamic driving experience. We'll help you decide which vehicle best suits your driving style. Moving inside, let's look at the interior and technology. The Cadillac CTS typically includes an intuitive infotainment system, often with an 8-inch touchscreen, providing seamless connectivity. BMW's iDrive system is celebrated for its user-friendly interface and crisp graphics. Both brands prioritize comfort, offering high-quality materials and ample space for up to 5 occupants, ensuring a pleasant journey for everyone. Now, let's consider reliability and overall value. Cadillac CTS models typically receive solid marks for dependability, offering peace of mind to owners. BMW vehicles are also known for their robust engineering and long-lasting performance, though maintenance costs can sometimes be higher. When it comes to resale value, BMW often maintains a slightly stronger position in the market, which is worth considering. Finally, let's talk about the driving experience. The Cadillac CTS delivers a refined and comfortable ride, often with a surprising athletic edge, making it enjoyable for daily commutes and longer trips. BMW, however, truly excels in providing a driver-centric experience, with incredibly precise steering and dynamic handling that enthusiasts adore. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize comfort with a sporty touch or pure driving exhilaration. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.